Hello friend, my name is Prathamesh Kate and today is a technical topic that name is object life cycle in Java. So start. In the object life cycle there are so many steps. So first step is create of a class file on a disk. As you know that Java programs runs on the Java virtual machine. That's and when we compile the Java class, it is transformed into bytecode, which is a platform and machine independent. The compiled classes are started as a class like on the disk. Step 2, loading class loading dot class file into a memory. After that, the Java runtime uh, runtime finds out that the class on the disk, that is the from of the class file. Java class loader load that class into a memory, and the Java runtime load into the memory. Step 3, loading from initialized static members of a class. Now Java looks for all the initialized static members of the class, such as the static method, static field, and the static block. You always remember that all the static member of the class do not belong to any particular instance of the class. It belong to the class itself, and is shared by all the object created from the classes. Step 4, uh, way to initialize class in Java. A, a class can be initialized in two ways in a Java. First, when you access the static field or a static method of a class. For example, when you run the main method in a class, the class is initialized because the main method is static, and the second way is when object or instance of the class is created using the new keyword new keyword. The class is initialized. Step 5, allocation of memory for object and reference of verification. In a stage 5, Java allocates the memory on the heap of the object and a memory on the stack of the object reference variable. Step 6, calling of the constructor of a class after allocating the memory. JVM calls the constructor of the class, which is like a method method, but it is called only once when the object is created. This thus the object lives its life, and providing access to be field and method whatever we want to need to access them. Step 7, removing of the object and reference variable from a memory. When the accessing the field of a method are compiled, the object and its reference are removed from the memory by the JVM at the time the object has died. You don't have to destroy the objective yourself. Actually, when the object is no longer is used, Java runtime calls the garbage collection to destroy all the objects. These objects are burned alive and die. The Java is a object oriented programming language, and this object life cycle structure is very complex and very and Java object life cycle is when the object is created uh, created alive and die, then the Java garbage collection remove the object remove the object memory allocation to the memory management. Thank you.